One of the main aspects of ending negative or unwanted reoccurring experiences is allowing and trusting your heart's desires to unfold. Most of us are conditioned to not trust our higher selves, God, source, infinite intelligence, whatever you want to call it, to bring about our heart's desires. We have so much conditioning around being unworthy, not being lovable, not being enough, fill in the blank, that we subconsciously block a lot of the abundance that naturally wants to come and flow to us. So we are not good receivers, we're not good allowers. We don't allow what naturally wants to happen because we are oftentimes working way too hard, more than we need to be. So if we can learn to let go of the efforting and trying to make things happen and trying to figure things all out on your own, then you start to allow the higher version of you to kick in and show you and guide you through to your heart's unfoldings.